Number 1 is the SawGrass Virtuoso SG1000 Sublimation Printer. Within the realm of cutting-edge surveillance technology, the SawGrass Virtuoso SG1000 Sublimation Printer emerges as a pinnacle of sophistication. This review delves into the unmatched features and performance of the SG1000, offering a flawless fusion of precision and versatility for professionals and hobbyists alike, catering to their diverse needs and aspirations. So let's get started. The SawGrass Virtuoso SG1000 Sublimation Printer is the perfect choice for creative professionals who want top-tier sublimation printing in 2024. It's specifically designed for sublimation and even comes with 100 sheets of premium 11-inch by 17-inch sublimation paper for the best print quality. Plus, the package includes 5 So-Fancy design access cards that give you a creative edge, offering up to 30 designs per card for commercial use. With the Virtuoso SG1000, creative professionals can unlock their full potential and get outstanding results in sublimation printing. It comes with an extensive sublimation flat blanks sample pack that's just incredible. You'll get 10 super versatile blanks, like the 11 ounces Pro Sub mug blanks, Pro Sub wine cup blanks, and Pro Sub 20 ounces skinny tumbler blanks. You also get 4 rolls of Swing branded heat-resistant transfer tape in different widths to make the transfer process a breeze. It's like a dream come true. Moreover, the SawGrass Virtuoso SG1000 comes with the Creative Studio online designer software, which boosts your design capabilities. It also provides a 2-year manufacturer warranty and personalized onboarding support so that you can have peace of mind and expert guidance. The printer is compatible with Windows 10 or newer, as well as Mac OS 10.9 or newer. And even if you get low ink warnings with the starter inks, they can still produce over 200 full coverage prints, making them a great choice for sublimation enthusiasts. If you like this sublimation printer, click on the link in the description box to purchase it. If you're searching for a sublimation printer that offers simplicity, exceptional print quality, energy efficiency, and versatility, the SawGrass Virtuoso SG1000 is the ideal choice. If you like this sublimation printer, click on the link in the description box to purchase it.